elementary school level room for the solar stage. Each team here today has worked hard for the past several months to prepare for this tournament. We want to extend to these teams every courtesy as they present their solution to this challenge. So we ask you to please avoid any activity that might be disruptive. We also ask that you please turn off any electronic devices, such as a cell phone or pager, which may interfere with the team's presentation. What's your team's name, guys?
SolarNauts.
SolarNauts? And where are you from? Okay, we'll go with that. I am pleased to present the SolarNauts from Connecticut. Team manager Barry?
Yes, Allison
Okay,
Barry.
we're good. Okay, folks, this is the most important thing I'm going to say today. Please remember, for this challenge, you are allowed to take pictures and you are allowed to videotape. Please remember, for this challenge, use of lighting or flash photography may, and by may I mean will, result in the team's disqualification. Right? This is all about solar energy and lighting. We don't want anybody to be distracted by the lights that go off on cameras. Appraisers, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready to see you shine.
Team, are you ready?
3, 2, 1. SolarNauts are here for fun.
Good luck, guys. Your 8 minute starts right now.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to where we go. It's off to where we go. The sun's away, but not today. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's off to where we go. To outer space, like a shine on our face. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's off, hi-ho. It's off to where we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Help, help, I'm stuck on Earth. We can't see anything and we have no power. We've used up all of our fossil fuels. Is there any way to get us solar power?
We have to find a way to get solar energy to Earth and fast.
Earth's solar panels are an inefficient and poor energy source.
So, the sun's energy consists of photons created from nuclear fusion.
Solar energy is Earth-friendly but hard to use because the weather gets in the way and you need a battery as big as a house to store it.
Photons are tiny particles of light smaller than atoms.
There's an endless number of photons here in outer space. We just need to capture them, convert them to an efficient energy source, and send them to Earth.
If only you could get the beam machine to work.
I'm putting solar panels on the beam machine right now. Solar panels are made out of PV or photovoltaic cells. They convert sunlight directly into electricity.
Now that's helpful.
PV cells can provide electricity for every size machine. Solar power plants convert energy from photons to thermal energy by heating water and creating steam.
The steam moves the turbine, creating mechanical energy which can be used immediately or turned into electricity.
That's great, but I need power now. I can't even see to light a candle. I wish I could drive to right now.
If you got in your car now and tried to drive to outer space, it would take you 152 years.
But it only takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for a beam of sunlight to reach Earth traveling at light speed.
How did you run out of fossil fuel on Earth?
Fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources. Since we have so many machines on Earth, we have used up all of our energy sources.
It takes 90 million years to create fossil fuels from disintegrating plants and animals.
Some fossil fuels are even made from old dinosaur bones and poo.
Did we refer to dinosaur poop to make electricity? No wonder we're running out of power.
Fossil fuels can also contribute to global warming.
When fossil fuels are burned, they release carbon dioxide, which creates a greenhouse gas and causes global warming.
No wonder it's so hot down here and I can't even use my fan. The ice caps are melting and I'm afraid the polar bears will soon be swimming down here and think we are seals. Solar power would be so helpful.
Did you know you use solar energy every day? Energy from the sun grows plants. When you eat plants, you convert the solar energy found in plants into muscle energy. When you ride your bike, you are really being powered by the sun.
We can all be powered by the sun if we learn how to harness the sun's energy.
If we connect electricity created on the beam machine to Earth's high voltage tower, the power can travel to the power substation, to the transformer, and ultimately to the people's home.
This is how the electric grid works.
In order for electricity to work, we have to all be connected.
You mean to keep the power running, we have to stick together?
Yes, and to save Earth through power reduction, we all have to work together.
We can save energy by turning off lights, walking or riding our bikes, and by buying locally grown food.
You can't create or destroy energy, but you can change it to another form.
Space is the ideal place to capture and convert photons into electricity.
There are an endless supply of photons available.
Let's go capture those photons!
I see some now.
When we capture these photons, we can convert them into steam here on our beam machine. We will use this energy to power our machine while we try to send additional energy down to Earth.
I know how we can do it. We can convert energy from the excess high photons into a high-powered laser light beam.
Great idea. Then we can send the energy through the laser beam directly onto Earth's electric grid.
I love that idea. If you can power our electric grid directly from outer space, then we will have endless clean energy.
Exactly. The Earth can be powered from space. We won't have to worry about cloudy days, limited photons, or our inability to store energy.
Thanks so much for the energy. Now Earth has light and power. Solar power.
We can learn about solar power.
We can work as a team. Rescue machines toward the cities of Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, Asia, and the Americas.
Solar power. We can learn about solar power.
Solar power is clean and all that we need. Our motor all is down. It's renewable. Solar panels will get lit. The lights that make energy for all.
Solar power. We can learn about solar power.
There are bad things too, so what should we do? We can't start for a rainy day. You need a huge battery, one bigger than me. When people have no power, they'll say, hey.
Solar power. We can learn about solar power.
1 hour of sun can power 1 year here on the earth. Condensed electricity, we all agree. It